How do you eat a whole pizza? You don't swallow it whole, you eat it one slice at a time. The same secret works for big programming problems. Today we're mastering problem decomposition, the superpower that makes any challenge manageable. We'll break complex problems into smaller pieces, master the proven 5-step process, and connect everything logically. No problem will ever seem too big again. Problem decomposition means breaking a complex challenge into smaller, manageable pieces. It's exactly like eating a pizza. You don't try to swallow the whole thing at once. You cut it into slices and tackle one piece at a time. This makes everything so much easier. Let's work through a real example together. Our challenge is to find the largest of 3 numbers entered by the user. This might seem tricky at first, but watch how decomposition makes it super simple. First, let's see the big picture. Our goal is clear. Get 3 numbers, find which is biggest, and tell the user. Now I can identify 3 major tasks. Step 1. Get 3 numbers from the user. Step 2. Find the largest number. Step 3. Display the result. Much clearer already. Now, let's break down each task even further. Task 1 splits into asking for the first number, second number, and third number. Task 2 becomes comparing first with second, then comparing the winner with the third. Task 3 is simply showing which number is largest. See how each big task becomes bite-sized pieces? Here's a crucial rule. Order matters. You absolutely must get the numbers before you can compare them. Think input, then process, then output. This logical flow keeps everything organized and prevents confusion. Now, we connect the pieces by understanding data flow. The numbers from task 1 feed directly into task 2 for comparison. The result from task 2 flows into task 3 for display. Everything connects like a pipeline. Our decomposition transforms directly into pseudocode. Steps 1, 2, 3 handle getting numbers. Step 4 starts our comparison. Steps 5 and 6 find the largest. Step 7 displays the result. The decomposition practically wrote our pseudocode for us. This tree diagram shows how our big problem branches into smaller tasks, and those tasks branch into even smaller actions. It's like a family tree for our problem. The top level is our main goal, the middle level shows major tasks, and the bottom level shows specific actions. Here's your quick decomposition recipe that works every time. Start with a 1-sentence goal. Break it into 3 to 5 main chunks. Break each chunk into 2 to 4 smaller pieces. Order them logically. And finally, show how data flows between them. This recipe never fails. This decomposition process works for absolutely everything in life. Making tea becomes boil water, add tea, add sugar, serve. Homework becomes list subjects. Do easiest first, check each one, pack your bag. Even coding follows this pattern. Understand, plan, code, test. It's a universal superpower. Time for your challenge. Can you decompose this problem? Check if someone can create a social media account, and they must be 13 or older. What are the main tasks you'd need to do? Think it through step by step. Perfect decomposition. First, get their age. Second, check if age is 13 or older. Third, if yes, tell them they can create an account. Fourth, if no, tell them they must wait. You've just broken down a real-world problem like a pro. Congratulations! You now have a genuine superpower. Problem decomposition works for programming, school projects, life challenges, everything. Master this skill and no problem will ever seem too big again. You can tackle anything. What an incredible lesson! We learned to break big problems into small, manageable pieces, mastered the proven 5-step decomposition process, and discovered how to connect pieces with logical data flow. Next, we'll wrap up our planning toolkit with a summary. You can now decompose any problem like a seasoned professional,